Hello everybody, let me show you how we connect access control system with fire alarm. Here you see the fire alarm panel, and not far from it there is a access control controllers. Those here are the power supplies of the locks of the doors, and here we have the access control panels. The panels of the access control I have shown you in the precedent or in the previous video. They are powered by Genetec, and those controllers are Mercury, so they are connected through this hole to the power supplies here, and through those conduits in here they are connected to the fire alarm relays, and the fire alarm relays are connected to the fire panel. So the fire panel, when it notices a fire alarm, so it will make a change in the fire relays, and the fire relays will send the signal to the power supplies of the doors in order to unlock the exit doors and let people out. So this is a brief video that shows how we connect access control and fire alarm. So thank you for watching the video, and see you next. Bye bye.